Wow, the atmosphere here is incredible. Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. We hope you enjoy it.
The secret to the flavor is letting the tomatoes and peppers cook down properly. Then we add the broth.
It smells incredible already. How much rice do you add?
The jollof rice and suya are absolutely delicious. I've never tasted anything like it.
I've never had anything quite like this. The blend of spices and that sweet topping, it's perfect.
You use your hand like this, scoop the amala and dip it deep into the soups.
Wow, this is incredible. The texture is amazing.
Go ahead, pinch a piece and try it. Get some of the spinach and meat.
Wow, the flavor is unbelievable. It just melts in your mouth.
The ayamase stew is incredibly rich and spicy. The flavors are absolutely mind-blowing.
Oh, wow, that is spicy. But the flavor, chef, this is absolutely incredible.
So tender and smoky. This is the best nyama choma.
The misir wat and the collard greens together, it's just incredible. I've never tasted anything like it.
This is what I came for. The smoky flavor of the jollof is incredible, and the sweet plantains balance it perfectly.
Be careful, it's very hot. Oh, wow, that flavor is amazing. The shito really brings out the flavors of the rice and beans. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. The flavors are so rich.
There's nothing quite like freshly grilled tilapia, especially when paired with soft banku and that unmistakable kick of traditional.
That was truly unforgettable. Thank you so much.